Rudy, why do I smell smoke?
Smoke? I don't smell anything. Your nose has always been sensitive.
Oh yeah? So why do I see fire ahead?
Uh-oh.
Ah. Ah, whew.
Oh no. Oh! Oh, look! Hey, May, take the other one. Look at this. Nice.
I feel like a hamster.
Yeah, well, look on the bright side. At least all the toys that I bought Rose are finally coming in handy.
Yeah, like that one over there.
Yeah, it's just a silly toy.
Yeah, right.
Steer straight, May!
We both have to steer straight!
Yeah! I'm liking this firepower!
They've got cannons too!
You're out of here!
Get out of our way!
Big boobs incoming!
How are they even operating those things?
Another cannonball! Move!
Ships ahoy!
Hey guys, we don't have to do this. We come in peace. May, I don't like their cannons.
Neither do I!
Attack!
Seafood!
Nice collaboration.
Yeah, that was pretty good! Wow! I felt the heat of that one!
Ooh, yeah. We're cooking now.
Straight into the icebox now!
Hey, little fellas.
Ah! It's the sea monster!
Oh, maybe it's just doing some stretching.
Back into storage toys!
We're the captains of these seas.
No, let us go! Oh, why did you have to buy this stupid, ugly octopus!
It is not ugly in real life. It is super cute and huggable. Hey, Mr. Octopus. Don't listen to her. You are super cute. And you have such beautiful, arms. Do you work out? Please let us go. You see? The art of flattery.
Stop talking, Cody, and start shooting! Ah! We're stuck!
It's a whirlpool! Shoot our way out!
That was not nice! It's working! Keep firing! Those are not friendly ducks! Keep them away!
Oh, yeah! You all right, May?
My head's spinning, but still on! Okay, now I'm starting to feel sick too!
Just don't throw up now.
Oh, shut up and keep shooting!
Hey, I think it's getting tired.
How can you tell? It looks fine!
Whew.
Don't ever buy Rose a toy with more than 2 arms again, okay?
Like I said, in the real world, it was cute and did not try to kill me. Hey, this is kind of like that haunted house ride.
Please don't remind me!
You were so scared.
You didn't like it either!
Yeah, the worst first date ever.
But we survived!
I just hope we survive this ride too. Oh, what is this? The bridge isn't supposed to be up.
Gosh, it's winched by a balloon! Hey, that's Rose's balloon!
Oh, yeah, I hate that creepy balloon. Why'd you have to buy her that? Now we can't get to the elephant.
There must be a way to lower that bridge.
Ah,
Hey there!
hey,
The bridge is only lowered for visitors to the castle.
Oh, good, we are visiting the castle.
Are you here to see the queen?
no. We're, here to see the elephant.
Oh, which elephant?
Oh, Rose's best friend, Cutie. The elephant over there.
Well, that's the queen.
Huh?
Eh?
Oh, God, that's right, yeah. Rose, gave the elephant a crown. You know, a queen's crown.
So Rose made the elephant into a queen?
Yeah, I guess so. It's her favorite toy.
Oh, perfect. So now we're killing a queen.
Oh, Pardon me, killing who?
No. She said chilling. Yeah, chilling with the Queen. We are really looking forward to chilling with her, right?
I see. Well, all visitors must prove themselves worthy of an audience with the Queen. Get a ball over there and use it to pop the balloon. And then you will be granted access to the castle.
Great. Thank you.
Yeah, let's go pop that creepy balloon.
Look at all those blocks and wheels. I guess it's time for some hamster action again.
They all look connected to each other.
Well, let's find out.
Okay, let's get this ball rolling then. Look at the seals. How cute.
Hey, that's our ball!
Oh, right. Come on, let's get it. Wow, you really sailed past that one.
Oh! Wow, that was a long shot. Maybe I should, show you how it's done.
I need to give this a try. Rosie, hop on!
All right now. All right, easy. Whoa, May, watch it. May. Whoa, May, watch it. May. Whoa, May, watch it. May. Whoa, May, watch it. May.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Let's get to the castle.
Cody, the tracks are ending.
Oh no! I forgot! I never finished building the...
Oh, straight to the castle, huh?
Just like I planned it! See? The castle!
Hey, the elephant. She's up there.
Yeah, the gate must be nearby. Come on.
Wow. You and Rose built all of this?
We sure did.
It's not bad, Cody. Not bad.
All right, buddy, let's get you out. Ah, are you serious?
Oh, wow. You built a train track, too.
Oh, yeah. And it's got the best views.
That looks sticky. Hold on. No way. The gate's locked, but there's got to be a way in. So we've got this big crane here. I'm sure it could be useful for this gate.
There's the castle gate. Up there. Oh, not quite. Hey, look! That looks like some kind of video game! You want to try it out? Okay, this time I'll aim! Yeah, okay, that makes sense. I like trains.
All right, let's see if we can get a better view of the castle.
out. Look at this mess.
Almost! Oh, this is so satisfying! Hey, Cody! You up for a little bowling?
You're crazy. But I like. Woo! One more.
Wait, we're not here to cause trouble.
Yeah, we're just here to see the elephant.
How dare you insult Cutie the Third, Queen of the Magic Castle? In short, Her Majesty.
Oh, yes, we mean Her Majesty. Can you take us to her?
It's kind of urgent.
The Queen does not grant audience with peasants.
Peasants? Whoa, back up. Who you calling peasants there, buddy? Okay, I built this castle. All right, I even came up with the name Magic Castle, so if it wasn't for me, you wouldn't
Okay,
even be...
behave! Excuse my underling, ma'am.
Underling?
Underling, yes. We are messengers from a land far, far away. We come with a very important letter for Her Majesty.
Hand it over.
Oh, well, we need to see Her Majesty in person.
Why?
Because they wanna kill the queen.
What? No!
Do you speak the truth?
Of course, I never lie. I'm Dr. Haki, Book of Truth. At your Majesty's service, Cutie Elephant III, Queen of the Magic Castle.
You just stop sucking up. Don't listen to him, all right? He's crazy, loco. He's lying.
Oh yeah? Then why don't you show the letter to Her Majesty? Huh?
Well, maybe I will. Okay, so the thing with the letter is it's kind of complex.
Ha! Exactly. Because there is no letter. Case closed. Oh!
Bring them in!
Mom. Oh. Huh? Oh. Hey, May, you okay?
Oh, not been this great in years. Oh. Gosh, Cody, why did you build prison cells?
Well, because all castles have prison cells. Sorry. Then make up the rules. Hey! Anyone hear us? Hello? Hello?
Well, lucky for us, you're not the engineer in the family.
Do you mind? What are you doing? I built that.
Yeah, I can see that. The toilet has no pipes.
Yeah? It's a toy castle. Toys don't go to the bathroom.
I'm not an engineer in the family.
Oh, I really should have skipped those beans.
Come on, hurry up.
I can't.
Okay, so you built this place. Where to now?
Just turn right here.
Guards!
Over here, quick! Come on! Oh, it's too much! Oh, God. Whoa! Oh, God! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa, ice orbs! May! I have cool magician powers!
And I have fire! Wow!
Just like I said, a magic castle.
Cody, let's get ready.
Ha! Oh, you can't stop me, Gate!
Nice one! Now let me through!
You're welcome.
Now watch me! Ha! Easy!
Glad I actually have useful powers.
Go to hell!
You're too hot, May!
Looks like you're not the only magic user!
There's only room for one, Orc Magician! You're up, May! Give it hell!
Get him, Cody! I'll hold off the others here!
They're not going anywhere!
They're not going anywhere!
You're all toast! Traps for the prisoners. Nothing's ever easy.
Hey, chill him!
Go to hell! And more lava.
You're just mad that you have to rely on me.
Oh, stop it.
Well, don't worry, May. I will get us across.
Ah! What is that?
It looks like a baking doll!
That wants to crush us!
Run! Run! Run!
Why did you buy that creepy toy for Rose?
I didn't! Help! Mom! Come on, May! Swing faster!
Go to hell!
That was a close one.
Oh, crap. Take a chill pill!
We can't damage him like this! You're all toast! Yes, that's it! Destroy the other team! You're all toast!
Quick! Now's our chance!
They're not going anywhere!
Good riddance, Troll! Don't want to see your ugly mug ever again!
Yeah, what she said. Oh, May, come on, over here. Let's go. That's it. The elephant gate, come on.
Wait a minute. This is my old chessboard. What, you used my chessboard to build your toy castle?
Yeah, so what? You never use it anymore?
Because I don't have the time. Plus, it's not a toy. You know, it was my grandmother's.
Yes, and I think she would appreciate that it's actually being used.
Oh, no, now what?
Oh! Oh! Chessboard's alive. Come on, Pawns! Let's dance! That doesn't look good!
Incoming fire!
Now let's get that elephant.
Oh,
What? Why does it have no handles?
well, you should know. You built it.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh, yeah, I remember. Boom! There you go. See? I know what I'm doing.
Oh, great! There go our magic outfits. How are we gonna kill the elephant now?
I don't know. Wait a minute. That's right, I color-coded them the opposite way around to fool intruders.
What?
Worked, right? It's actually very smart if you think about it.
Yeah, really smart. We just got fried.
See?
Oh, I'm still gonna miss my outfit. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Hello, you don't need to bow. I'm Cutie the elephant, Rose's best friend. Do you want some cookies?
I actually love cookies.
Cody, you're not here to stuff your face with cookies. Let's just do this.
You sound unhappy. You can tell me what's wrong. That's what friends are for.
No, nothing's wrong. It's great. Everything's like super great.
Well, I can see you're not happy. You need a hug.
I kind of do. Oh,
Cody, what are you doing? Let's kill her.
Kill me? Why do you want to kill me?
oh no. We don't want to kill you. We just kind of have to. Just a little bit.
But I'm Cutie the loving elephant. I love Rose, and Rose loves me. I don't want to die.
I know, but we have no choice. I'm sorry.
No!
This is gonna be ugly.
Oh no!
Oh no, May! Look, she's getting away! Quick, do something!
Hold on a second.
Oh,
Yes!
guess that's the way the cookie crumbles.
Cutie, we don't want to do this, but we have to.
We have to make Rose cry. It's nothing personal. We just need to break this spell.